Summer is right around the corner, and if you want to get your body ready, now is the time. And body meaning your face, your midsection, whatever it might be, your legs. We are here to help you. Dr. Ward is in studio with me. Dr. Ward, good to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming into our studio. It's nice to have you. So let's talk body. If you don't like it, you're probably not as confident.
That's what it's all about, is confidence. Like, it is not a vanity thing. It's about feeling confident, feeling secure, feeling like you just go, kind of take on the world.
Yeah.
Whether that's wrinkles, whether it's saggy skin, whether it's pigment, there's options to help.
So let's get into that, because a lot of people are doing things to adjust the wrinkles on their face. Obviously, Botox comes to mind, but there's a lot of things people can do to prevent it leading up to that, correct?
For sure. So prevention is always the best, so whether it's medical grade skincare, whether it's starting some of the treatments earlier, those are some really great ways to help prevent things and slow down the process. But for most of us, we don't realize that until it's too late. So we need some actual treatment.
Exactly. So that's where like microneedling comes in, which I've done before, and I really, really liked it.
Yeah. So microneedling is a great way to help produce more collagen in the skin. You just use little tiny needles that produce collagen.
And it doesn't hurt. I mean, it didn't hurt when I had it done, I don't think.
We typically do it with a little bit of numbing. So we
Mm-hmm.
usually call in some numbing cream to the pharmacy beforehand so they can put it on, get numbed up. But here's one of the coolest things over the last couple of years is microneedling plus radio frequency, where the needles go into the skin and then the very tips of the needle, so below the surface of the skin, heat up, and it produces even more collagen. So it's a great way to tighten skin. It's a great way to produce more collagen. It actually has been shown to double the amount of collagen and elastin in the skin. It's a really powerful tool that people are loving. It's great for the face. That's where we typically use it for. Whether it's even like kind of smoothing out some of the wrinkles here, tightening. For those patients that want just a little bit tighter of a jawline, it's not going to give you a facelift sort of result, but it's going to help tighten that up a little bit more.
And that's where that leads us. If you want the facelift results, you obviously have to do a completely different approach, and you can do that.
For sure. So I think the key is, like, you don't want to just have one solution to every problem, because every individual has unique problems, whether it's genetics, whether it's gender, sun exposure, whatever it is. You need to find the solution that's right for you. So that's something that I tell people all the time, like, well, how do I find the best place to do this, or the best options? Like, well, find a place that knows it all, can look at you, fit you into the right treatment plan, and give you the results that you want.
And obviously with time, we start to sag and droop and, all the loveliness at all different parts of our body. And you guys can do, I mean, pretty much head to toe now that you have another doctor doing body.
Right. We have a plastic surgeon, Dr. Cordestani. We've hand-selected him. He's great. We're so excited for him to be here and doing this. He's great. So he can do surgical things like tummy tuck, mommy makeover, breast augmentation, breast lift. That's really what he specializes in.
Okay.
There's also some non-surgical options for this area. We talk about like a midsection, we talk about under the chin. Cool sculpting has been around for a long time. I think people have maybe gotten used to it. It works.
Does it?
On average, you lose 20 to 25% of the fat that you treat in that area.
And it's just it's like a cold treatment, correct?
It selectively kills the fat cells. It doesn't kill the skin or the muscle cells, just the fat cells. Another great option similar is form sculpt, where it uses magnetic energy to stimulate the muscles. If you do it on your abdomen, one treatment is the equivalent of doing like 20,000 sit-ups.
It's amazing. And that's one specific to you, right? That you created?
So it's a really cool treatment that helps people get the results they want, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, whether it's surgery, non-surgical, whether it's wrinkles, pigment. There's a whole bunch of different options that can be used.
Isn't it amazing how far technology has come just even in the last few years? It's like, oh my gosh, look at the things you can do, to get that body that you want. And whether you want it to help the world or you want to keep it silent, they will honor your wishes. So you can pull out your phone right now, scan the QR code that you see on screen, and that way you can make an appointment and easily talk with the doctors. As always, thank you for being here for Doc Talk. A new movie is